Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out and summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me really quickly, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of somebody's attic over in Somalia. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just establish where this started. And for me, it started when the price broke out of this area right here, which was a key area of resistance going today, right there at the 39-cent mark. So breakouts are where things kind of start. So that is my quote-unquote starting point. So let's apply that definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, again, it started right there, and then it went all the way up there. I'm thinking we can all agree that that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same day, I'm hoping once again that we can agree, okay, yeah, this was definitely a very short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, this is where the thin ice comes into play, because to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen where the price could come down here, walk along this thin ice a little bit more, and then start to head back up. And from the big picture of things, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, okay, then fine, you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. However, if the price comes down here and then does something like this where pulls back, walks along this thin ice, breaks through it, and continues to the downside, what do you have at that point in time? You literally have the price right back inside of this range where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but clearly price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward, and the quote-unquote progress point is our thin ice point, which is right there at 39 cents. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, 39 cents, definitely a very important level of support and a very, important just overall level as far as the chart is concerned going into tomorrow. So we'll see how this one closes out the week and see if the price can stay above the thin ice or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.